Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and in this video I wanted to show you the ongoing pre-sale for RabitiAI, the next generation of decentralized AI consumer layers, which connect consumers, creators, and open source researchers, as well as what they've been going on so far. Right now, for example, there's a $1 million giveaway as they show over here. Complete task, share and earn XP to increase your chances of winning big rewards. The more XP you collect, the bigger your RIAI, the token airdrop in the future. Right now, they raised over $100,000 already in their pre-sale over here, and in just 16 hours, which I think already happened for you guys, the price went up by a tiny bit. Right now, you can get one single token for 0.7402 cents, which means, let's say you were to pay with ETH or USDT, making it USDT to make it easier. Let's say you would spend $500 on that. That would grant you not just 72,000 of the tokens. Let's say you would spend 2,500 to get as many tokens as you can. You would get a booster of 50,000 tokens or 15% for that purchase, making it almost 400,000 tokens that you get. Let's say, for example, you want to be a RIAI millionaire. You will need to spend about $6,500 with a booster of 131,000 tokens, which would grant you 1 million tokens, which then means in the future, if it would go to $1 per coin, that would be $1 million in USD for you. They've already been audited by Solidproof as well as Cyberscope over here. You can click on the links and then read about their TrustNet score, their chart and essentials, security assessments, and so on and so forth. But let's talk about real quick on what else they offer besides the ongoing pre-sale. It is a vibrant, boundary-pushing ecosystem where creativity, AI, and gamification collide, designed to inspire and empower innovation, rewards, and unmatched interactivity with seamless AI agent interactions, mystery POPs, staking, and more. With the agent protocol reimagining AI engagement, enabling real-time outputs with ease, gamified mystery boxes with prizes up to 500,000 off their token. It is their mission to deliver cutting-edge, intuitive solutions to individuals and organizations where they are currently in a restricted testing phase until everything in here goes live. Obviously, the earlier you get in for the pre-sale, the better for you, as the price only goes up over time. And with what they're building right now, with smart Rabbi agents for task automation, personalized workflows, with their RabitiAI pop, as well as additional rewards in their tokens, you're as early as it gets when it comes to it being at the beginning of something great. For the tokenomics over here, we get 35%, so over 1/3 of all the tokens of the 10 billion total supply just for the pre-sale and 15% for staking, as well as airdrops, 10% for investors, marketing, 5% for team and advisors, and 10% for liquidity, so a large chunk just for us users over here. And the roadmap has 3 simple steps so far, with more to come in the future: building their RabitiAI ecosystem, fundraising, as well as opening the public pre-sale. That's the stage right now. And then later in Q2, introducing RabitiAI Pops, gamified mystery boxes, launching their other products, their agent protocol enabling real-time outputs from AI agents, and later on having the ecosystem expansion and introducing limited edition features. So pretty much the sky's the limit, it can only go higher. At the same time, they also have this campaign over here on Galaxy. I will leave a link to their link tree down below, so you can also check out their other links, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube, whatever you like. In the giveaway page, you can see a minimum of $100 participation in their pre-sale is required to be eligible, with $135 left in order to win $1 million. And then, of course, for Galaxy, make sure to sign up there, follow them, quote their tweets, engage, and be active, whether that's on Twitter, on Discord, Telegram. You see how it goes. Make sure to follow them as well and participate. You can win as you got some time left. And then lastly, there's of course also a referral system behind it. My link is down below for that as well. But if you got friends, for example, or other people that are interested in something good, something that is just at $100,000 raised so far, that is only going to go up from here, then send them your link. You never know how much that is going to make them. All in all, you know it's not financial advice, but it's something fairly solid. They also got audited by Spywolf, as I just saw, and you might like it too. Link is down below, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.